Hello, and welcome to Creating a Digital Story with Adobe Spark Page. My name is Ladell Whaley, and I will be your instructor for this course. During the course, I will walk you through the steps necessary to develop, design, and publish a digital story using Adobe Spark Page. For the course project, you will choose a topic, then develop your story based on the steps we complete. The wonderful thing about Adobe Spark Page is the ability to present visually pleasing content without spending hours to create it. Let's get started. Prior to creating your story, you must take a few moments to set up the process. The first step is not a requirement. However, if you plan to continue using the Adobe products and do not have one, I suggest you obtain a free Adobe Id. To do this, you will need to go to the website and click on Adobe Accounts, then click Get an ID. Next, you will need to follow the instructions and enter in a valid email address. The address you enter will be your Adobe ID, so I suggest that you use an address you'll remember. And finally, to sign into your account, go to adobe.com and click Sign In. If you do not desire to create an Adobe ID, you can continue to sign up for your Adobe Spark Page with additional options we'll discuss soon. As I stated, for the next step, you will need to sign up, if you haven't already, for an Adobe Spark account. While I do suggest using an Adobe ID, please note that it is not required. Spark offers several additional options, which include Facebook, Gmail, or another email address. For this project, the free Spark account will work. However, if you are an Adobe Creative Cloud subscriber or desire to purchase a subscription, you'll be able to take advantage of branding and personalization benefits as a subscriber. Once you have your account set up, you are almost ready to create. In addition to the Adobe ID and Spark account, you will also need to have an idea, information, images, and media you would like to include in your story. So before we move forward to the next step, take a few moments to set up your accounts and gather your material. Then, once you are ready, let's begin planning out your story.